What's up, guys? We are back here to Dissidia Final Fantasy. Let's talk about re-rolling and how to do it on the iOS devices. So for number one, the very most important thing is that when you start the game up, you do not want to link the game to your Facebook account until you are done re-rolling and you have found a good account. You want to log in as a guest. That will then allow you to progress forward, and if you don't like the account, you can simply just trash it and start over again. Rerolling for iOS is very, very simple at that point. As long as you have not linked your Facebook account to the game, you can start off with a new account by simply deleting the app and then reinstalling the app and starting over as a guest again. Again, once you have a good account and you're happy with the weapon pools that you've gotten, then go ahead and link the game to your Facebook page. So we're going to show you here the steps, walk you through it real quick. And yeah, that's going to be it. It's really, really simple and easy. So we're going to show you what we've got here. And I am looking for at least 3 5-star weapons in my first summon. So you get one for free in the very beginning of the tutorial. We can check our weapons by opening up our menu here, clicking on enhancements, I believe, and then clicking on view/sell. And so it'll show us what we have here in our inventory. So you can see we don't really have too much weapons that are good. We have 1, 2, 5 stars. So this is definitely a bad account. Really, really bad. So what we're going to do is we are going to exit out of the app here and go to our home screen. So on the home screen, we're simply going to hold down on the app, bring up the X. We're going to X this out. We're going to delete Opera Omni, also all the data, and then we're going to go back into the App Store and re-download it. Simply re-download the app, and then boom, start all over again, guys. When you open up the app again, you should have to download some updates. Thankfully, the game is not that big. So we're going to click on New Game. We're going to agree to all the, terms of use and condition. It's going to do its thing and download some updates. And then we're going to go start and progress through the campaign tutorial. And you got to get to stage 1-4, kill stage 1-4, and then that gives you your 5,000 gems in your mailbox. So it should take you around 10 minutes or so to get past stage 1-4, which unlocks the free 5-star weapon summoning for the tutorial. So you're going to get either Vivi's weapon, Warrior Light's weapon, or Rem's weapon. And ideally you want Warrior of Light's weapon, but it's not a big deal what you really get here. As of course, if you are re-rolling, you're looking for multiple 5-star weapons in your next summon. So if you got, say, Rem's weapon and you're like, I don't want that one, but you got 5-star weapons in your summon, you're going to keep the account most likely. So you have to go through these motions. They don't let you bypass this any way that I've found. If you have a secret way to bypass any of these tutorial tips, please post it down below. And if you also have information on how to reroll for the Android devices, please post that down below. So once we get out of here, we will do our summon. And hopefully we are done rerolling, guys, and that we'll be able to just, play through the game here. Because I want at least 3 5-star weapons in the summon. So not including the starter weapon that they give you. So from there, you click on the tab there, click on Home. And we're going to have to X out of all of these little menus, all of the promotional items that they want to tell you about and sell you on. Click over to the treasure box, the mailbox. Collect your 5,000 gems. And let's summon away here. So there actually is 2 banners that you can summon on. If you want to summon for different characters' weapons besides Warrior Light and Cloud / Bart's, you click on the banner to the right here or the left, and you can see you can click and summon all of the heroes. This is actually only going to cost you 2,500 gems to do your first summon, and it has all 25 of the story characters' weapons right here available at the same rate. These ones over here, Bart's, Cloud, and Warrior Light have boosted rates, and everyone else has lowered rates. So let's do this one right here, since we are looking for Bart's and Cloud's weapons specifically, as they are top tier. So we can go ahead and bypass this. Then, oh, we got 2. So not too bad, but not good enough. And then repeat the whole process all over again. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this helped you out, and let me know what you guys got in the comments down below. How many 5-star weapons? Who are you aiming for? What is your squad going to look like? I will talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching again.